Welcome to Auto Inside. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup, a stunning modern revival of one of the most iconic trucks in American automotive history. The 3100 name is legendary, and in 2026, Chevrolet has brought it back with a perfect balance of retro design, modern technology, and raw performance. Let's take a deep look at what makes this truck a standout in today's pickup lineup. At first glance, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 instantly grabs attention with its nostalgic design inspired by the classic 1950s model. It carries that timeless rounded body shape, a wide chrome grille, vintage-style headlights, and beautifully sculpted fenders that take you right back in time. But beneath that vintage skin lies a fully modern machine. The LED lighting signature gives it a fresh and futuristic look, while the 20-inch retro-styled alloy wheels and chrome bumpers add just the right amount of old-school charm. The paint options include deep metallic reds, creamy whites, and even a two-tone finish that pays tribute to the original pickup. Chevrolet has truly nailed the mix of nostalgia and modern sophistication. Moving to the interior, this is where the 3100 surprises the most. Open the doors and you're welcomed into a cabin that beautifully merges vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge luxury. The dashboard is a work of art, featuring retro dials and switches, mixed with a large 13-inch touchscreen display powered by Chevrolet's latest infotainment system. You get full digital instrumentation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, PREMIUM, Bose audio and voice-controlled navigation. The materials used are top-tier leather upholstery with contrast stitching, brushed aluminum trims, and even wood-grain accents that feel both classic and elegant. Every detail feels handcrafted to remind you of Chevrolet's rich heritage while providing all the comforts of a modern premium pickup performance-wise. The 2026 3100 vintage pickup is no slouch. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers two powertrain options. The first is a 5.3-liter V8 engine producing around 400 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque, delivering a strong and satisfying rumble that every truck lover wants to hear. The second option is an all-electric version powered by GM's Ultium battery system. Offering up to 480 horsepower and over 400 miles of range on a single charge, the electric version can go from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, which is mind-blowing for a truck with such a classic design. Both versions come with rear-wheel drive as standard, with an optional all-wheel drive setup for extra traction and stability. The suspension system has been completely re-engineered for a smoother and more composed ride, even on rough terrain. On the road, the 3100 offers a blend of strength and comfort. The steering feels precise, and the ride quality is incredibly refined for a pickup. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling off-road trails, it maintains that strong and steady Chevy character. The braking system is responsive, and the transmission shifts seamlessly, giving you confidence no matter how you drive. The sound insulation is excellent, keeping the cabin quiet even at high speeds, while the V8's growl or the electric motor's smooth hum adds personality to the drive. In terms of technology and safety, Chevrolet has loaded the 3100 with everything modern buyers expect. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, and even hands-free highway driving capability on select models. The truck also includes remote start, over-the-air updates, and a customizable digital key system that allows you to unlock and start the truck with your smartphone. Now talking about pricing, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup starts around $58,000 for the base V8 version and can go up to $72,000 for the top-spec electric variant. Considering its unique design, premium features, and performance, it's a solid offering for those who love classic looks with modern capabilities. Chevrolet is clearly targeting both collectors and enthusiasts who want something different. A truck that turns heads everywhere it goes but still works like a real pickup. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It captures the soul of the past while embracing the technology of the future. Whether you're buying it for nostalgia, performance, or sheer style, it delivers in every way. The attention to detail, powerful options, and luxurious interior make it one of the most desirable pickups of 2026. That's all for today's detailed review of the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more reviews of classic-inspired modern vehicles, make sure to stay tuned to Auto Inside for more automotive stories, reviews, and future car updates.